everybody, welcome back to Day Trading School. I know this is a weird intro. I'm behind the camera. Here I am. I'm Amy. Here I am. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I thought I might want to try something new today. I'm in the middle of an interesting trade and I thought I'd just explain it to you because this is a strategy I use quite often when we don't have a trending market, which is actually the situation at the moment with GBP USD. So I thought it might be interesting for you to understand how I actually go about structuring my trade. So if you're interested, just keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to like my video, to leave a comment and to share this video with your friends if they are interested in day trading as well. So without further ado, let's get started with today's lesson. Now today's lesson is a very important one. This trading strategy is something I apply quite often when the situation is the way it is right now. Now, what do I mean? First of all, I clarify what the overall market situation is before I open up the hourly charts to reflect about, where to buy or where to sell. Now, this is the weekly chart of GBP USD. What we can see here, now, first of all, is, the question is, do we have a trending market? That means a clear uptrend, a clear downtrend. Now, the answer is no, obviously not. We are stuck in the middle of a ranging zone. That's a ranging market. We're still stuck in the zone of support and resistance. Now, after having clarified this, when I know that we've got a ranging market, what I always do, what I usually do is I basically wait for a directional move. What does that mean? I wait for the market to go up or to go down. I let the market decide, and then I wait plus, that's my second tool. I wait for a reliable candlestick or price pattern, and then I basically enter. This is what I actually do whenever I see that we're stuck in a support resistance zone. This is what I do, and it really works for me. But, fair enough, I do understand. It looks very easy, it looks very simple, but you just have to apply it again and again, do paper trading, and you'll understand the overall logic much better every time you take such a trade. Now, this is now the very first step I take. And now there is another thing which is very interesting about this chart right here. As you can see, it's not just that we are stuck in a ranging market, but we can also see that, this support line used to be a resistance line. This was once a resistance line right here. Let me show it to you. Wait a moment, I have to check my trade. Just a second. Yeah, brilliant. All right, so as you can see, this was once a resistance line, This was once a resistance line. It then got broken, price went up, reversal pattern, price went down, price went up again, and then down again, once again, down to the support line. So this is somehow like a double bottom right now. That means, I might be waiting. You might want to wait down here close to the support line for an opportunity to open a long position. Now, let's continue with the next step. That's the weekly chart. Now, I continue with the daily chart, and now here I am with my daily chart. Once again, what I first of all do is mark the support zone, and then what I can see here is, a strong engulfing pattern, and then price went up, and then there was a pressure from the bears, right? and price went down. So I am looking for a buying opportunity nearby, because after such an engulfing pattern, such a bullish, reliable engulfing pattern, I was expecting the price to go up, but not, right away. So it is absolutely fine, and it's absolutely brilliant if you have a double bottom. That's always much better than just having an engulfing pattern and then the price just goes up and up endlessly, because that usually makes it not that reliable. So it's always better when you've got a bullish engulfing pattern and then price comes back to basically form a double bottom, right? So here I spotted a double bottom, which makes everything more reliable. Now, the day isn't over yet, so I don't know whether this double bottom is going to be reliable or not, but this already shows that it's quite likely to happen. And now what I do is I continue with the hourly chart. Now on an hourly level, what I usually do is now, after, I first of all wait for a directional move, and this happened, and after 700 points of price going down, I'm now waiting for a reliable candlestick pattern as well as price pattern to basically open a long position. And here I can see, something like a support line, 1, 2, 3, a fourth time. So that's the reason why I actually bought right after this rat doji. Usually I would, wait after this rat doji, but the overall idea of today was, if I have a closer look at the weekly chart, the overall idea was to wait for a directional move. That was the first idea. And then the second idea was to buy close to the support zone, right? That was the overall idea. And then what I basically did is I just waited for the New York trading session and waited for a reliable candlestick pattern as well as for a major pattern, and then just entered my trade when I saw this. Yeah, this is it for today. I hope this was useful for you. I'm actually thinking of creating, similar videos where I explain my trades, because sometimes it's, too abstract if I just explain the theoretical aspects and can't give you useful examples. So this is it for today. Hope it was useful for you. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a comment if you didn't understand something very well.